Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given prove that the equation x power 4 minus 2020 x cube minus 2019 x square minus 2017 x minus 2016 equal to 0 has no integer solutions. So here, as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded in this channel. Go through them. Thank you. So here, how to solve this problem? So this type of problems in Olympiad they're asking. So here some logic you have to apply. So let alpha is an integer solution. Let us assume that alpha is a integer solution or root of the equation. So if it is an integer solution, it should satisfy. So here x power 4 minus 2020 x cube minus 2019 x square minus 2017 x minus 2016 equal to 0. So here it is clear that alpha is not equal to 0. Alpha is not equal to 0. If alpha is not equal to 0, it should be greater than 0. If alpha is greater than 0, then equation let it be 1. 1 will become alpha power 4 minus 2020 alpha cube is equal to 2019 alpha square plus 2017 alpha plus 2016 should be greater than 0. Why? Because the values you have to get greater than 0. Now in this I am taking alpha cube common. Alpha minus 2020 should be greater than 0. That implies alpha is greater than 2020. Alpha value is greater than 2020. Now again from 1 I am writing 2016 is equal to alpha power 4 minus 2020 alpha cube minus 2019 alpha square minus 2017 alpha. Substituting alpha and 2016 you are taking one side. So here you can take alpha common. Alpha cube minus 2020 alpha square minus 2019 alpha minus 2017. Now you are taking alpha common. Here it shows that alpha divides 2016, means alpha is less than or is equal to 2016, which is a contradiction. Here you got alpha is greater than 2020. Here you got alpha is less than or equal to 2016. That is a contradiction. If you go to second case, if alpha is less than 0, then you have to replace. You have to put alpha is equal to minus beta, where beta is greater than 0. Then we have beta power 4 plus 2020 beta cube minus 2019 beta square plus 2017 beta minus 2016 is equal to 0. So here if you take beta power 4, now here I am taking beta square common in these two, 2020 beta minus 2019. Here I am taking 2017 beta minus 2016 should be equal to 0. If you observe beta square is greater than 0, this value is also greater than 0 and this value is also greater than 0. So total from here to here, the value is greater than 0. So but here you have to get equal to 0, which is a contradiction, which is again a contradiction, which is again a contradiction to our assumption. Hence the given equation has no integer solution. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.